Daily logs in Omega 365 are used to document daily activity, progress, and key events on a project site. The Daily Log Register provides access to all entries within the selected context. You can also view entries grouped by sub-org units or by objects. The Image Archive allows you to browse all associated images, each directly linked to its corresponding log entry. The Areas view displays log entries on a map for the selected context. You can define custom areas by drawing a polygon directly on the map. The Entries table shows all logs recorded within that defined area. To add a log entry, click New Daily Log. Fill in relevant data such as classification code, location, scope item, description, and other. You can also upload related images. If your camera has geotagging enabled, the photo location will appear on the map. Otherwise, enter the position manually. Entries can be linked to other Omega elements such as object assets, incidents, documents, or workflows. Either connect to an existing workflow or create a new one as needed. You can also add comments or assign follow-up actions directly within the entry. To learn more about Omega, go to academy.omega365.com.